Okay, in this example, we're going to use the triangle exterior angle theorem to solve for this outside angle. So to find that outside angle, we have to add the two remote angles up, and it will equal the exterior angle. So in my problem, it tells me that angle X is 63, angle Z is 64, and I have to find the exterior angle. On this problem, all we have to do is add up the two remote angles, which happen to be 63 and 64, and it will equal angle ZYR, what happens to be the exterior angle. So when I add those up, I get 7, and that's it.